Alright, so I got the top bracket removed. That's two 10 millimeters, and that comes off. That didn't require pliers to get that little wire um, holder off. Got a 12 millimeter here. That was not too bad. Plug came out real easy too. Got those all out of the way. This 12 millimeter needed to get out the persuader. Again, my favorite tool, my toolbox. No extra levers. You have to have like a round socket wrench get inside that pipe, but that pops off pretty good. And then that will come out with this whole bracket will come off, and then we'll remount that onto the new alternator, which is right here. So the bracket goes like right here, and there's another screw down here at the bottom that I'm probably gonna, that'll be kind of blind, but we will endeavor to persevere.